In this interconnected world, cybersecurity isn't just a technical requirement. It's fundamental pillar of trust. As cyber threat grows, so must our defenses. This year, at GISEC 2024, C9 Lab is excited to showcase our new tools, C9 Fish and C9 Eye. With C9 Fish, you can train your employees, your users using AI against phishing attacks. With C9 Eye, you can monitor your infrastructure from different 20 locations. You can monitor the latency, you can monitor the uptime, you can monitor the vulnerability, you can monitor the IP reputation. And you can also monitor what's happening around you, what's happening near your servers, what type of attacks happening near your location. GISEC is more than an event for us. It's a place where we connect, share, and work towards a safer online world. I invite you to come and join us. Come and see our tools in action at GISEC 2024. Together, we can make the internet a safer place.